following is an update and technical analysis on MedMen Enterprises, a company of the psychedelic sector, here off the daily interval where I had mentioned on the 22nd of July 2023, where trading spot price 0.022 cents, and I had remained adamant how crucial this major key resistance zone off this primary reactionary high downtrend line correlated with the 250-day moving average, call it a triple line of transitioning points, providing a great risk-reward ratio objective short entry to the downside. And here's the update. Bull traders, long traders ended up defending this 0.0198 cent price support really aggressively amongst that key inflection point, only to come upon and retest this, again, triple line of inflection points, and was rejected pretty much into a consolidation phase, and then backtested, had a false breakout, candle close, snapped down below that 50-day moving average after testing it and coming just shy of hitting the 200-day moving average resistance. Finally snapped in through that 198 price support, and that was good for an entire 25.83% crash. And here we are on a solid daily candle close below the 0.0174 price resistance. And that is an additional now support has become resistance, and a potential move downward spiral back down to the retest of a 0.0149 price support. And again, if we take that level out, in my opinion, we will more than likely begin to burn off, even potentially just retesting, backtesting it, could burn out these positive and or bullish divergences that we had intact, having a complete just washout of completely burning off these positive divergences off this bullish falling wedge pattern that we initially had, and would just put extreme damage down below that key inflection point and a much larger crash and wave of selling into a deep dark abyss. Bull traders, long traders, if we go on to retest that key inflection point, they need to defend that price support really at all costs to keep any sort of momentum alive, spur health right back into these momentum indicators, with now a ton of resistance up above. Whereas you have concurring damage already being inflicted upon the zero line thresholds of the price percent oscillator and the oscillator histogram, starting to print those red daily candle closes below. And again, just a very damaged from a pure technical perspective, and really from a fundamental perspective, attempting to market, advertise, and or sell your product that is federally illegal is not feasible without access to banking services.